You are having lower back pain or the entire back pain, sometimes down to your waist, and you don't know what to do. Welcome to the Shantari. This is where we discuss herbs and spices for healthy living. If you are new here, this is a place to be. Try as much as possible to go through our videos. There might be videos there that will address your issues, okay? We don't hide updates here, all right? So now, a lot of people have actually spent a lot of money for maybe back pain, waist pain, the entire back pain, down to lower back pain, and they don't know what else to do. You can try nature. Like I always say, there is power in nature, all right? There is power in nature. Forget that all these videos that we are doing here, they are all free videos. I can guarantee you all these videos are tight. All the recipes we are giving here, they are tight, okay? They are very, very tight. So if you use them, definitely you will come back for your testimony, all right? I know a lot of people don't believe in free videos, but go and try it out. So what you need is simple, just this and then this, all right? This is pineapple head. You can see this pineapple head, the one you normally throw away, and this is ginger, okay? All you need to do is just pick this out, all right? Just carefully pick it out like this, okay? Pick them out depending on the quantity you want to do. Pick them out, then wash them thoroughly, okay? That's this head. Wash it thoroughly, make sure there are no debts. Then after that, put it in a pot and then wash your ginger also thoroughly. Do not bother to peel it. Don't peel it at all. Just wash it thoroughly, make sure there are no sand in it. Cut it into little pieces, also add it to the pot. The next thing you do is add water to it, boil it for about 5-10 minutes. Your tea is ready, okay? Take a tea glass morning and evening. You will see that pain disappear, all right? Go and try it out. There is power in nature, all right? There is power in nature. Now I want to give you the next update because we are in the season of maize now, that is corn. We are in the season of corn now. A lot of you know this. This is corn or maize, as you may call it. Now we are in the season of it now. It will be good for us to take full advantage of what God has deposited in this corn for us, all right? Now, a lot of people do eat corn, okay? You eat corn, that's what is inside. That's the corn inside. A lot of people do eat it, including myself. I do eat it as well. But many people don't really know what you can achieve with this very thing. Now, you can see this tip, what you have here, this thing you are seeing, this is corn sick, okay? This is corn sick, this is corn sick. So you can actually do a lot of things with corn sick, all right? Corn sick can reduce high blood pressure, it can reduce your sugar level, reduce your cholesterol level. It's good for the heart, that is for heart disease. It's good for heart disease. You can also use it for kidney issues. That's if you're having kidney problem, you can also use corn sick as well. It's good. Corn sick is good for malaria, it's good for inflammation, it's good for urinary tract infection. Corn sick also is good for prostate problems, all right? It's good for prostate problem. But after this video, maybe by next week, I'm going to be dropping full video for prostate issues, okay? So you can also use corn sick if you have corn sick. Now, a lot of people will be going about looking for corn sick. Now, I want to show you how we normally do this in the village then, and I believe a lot of people here also will also testify to that. Many people also cook it that way. All you need to do is this, just, reduce this cover, just reduce it, okay? You reduce this cover. So you can actually reduce it to, let's say, the first layer, all right? Reduce it to the first layer. Okay, good. Now, if you open it, you can see the entire corn seed. Okay, you can see it. You can see the corn seed. Yes, you see it. All right, this is the corn seed. So all you need to do is put it like this in a pot. Put it like this in a pot. Boil it. The corn and the corn seed, they are the same. All right, I just want to clear that they are the same. This corn you are seeing and this corn seed, they are the same thing. So boil them together with, depending on the number of corns you have. Okay, that will determine the number of water you put. Say for example, you want to boil this just one like this, at least 2 to 3 glasses of water will be enough for you because of evaporation while you are boiling. All right, so after boiling it, you can actually eat your corn. All right, eat your corn and then drink the water. Okay, drink the water. Take a tea glass morning and evening. You can do that for a couple of days. So that will make you to boil at least more than one corn. All right, so that you can have plenty of water. So this is corn seed. So there's no need looking for the corn seed and then boil the corn seed alone. No, the corn and the seed, they are the same thing. So you can boil it like this, then take the water, but make sure it's clean. Okay, remove the dirty back. Remove the dirty back. So this is how we do it in the village. This is it. So if you are those type that you live in the village before, you attest to this. This is how we do it in the village. We don't cook corn like you naked it and not then boil it. No, we cook it this way. All right, you cook it this way. So you can actually do yours this way. You will testify to the wonder of nature. Okay, so guys, do not forget to give me thumbs up here. All right, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss anything in this channel. Try also to share my video, share it so that a lot of people can also benefit from all what we are doing here. Okay, so do not forget, go through my videos. I have a lot of videos that will address your issues, so go through it. You will definitely come back to testify. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video.